Hello YouTube, today I'm back here with another video. This is how to install or set up. Basically what you're gonna do, the leg comes in two. The small one comes in between the bigger one. So what you're gonna do, the bigger one go across. The bigger one goes across, while this one joins the bigger one together with this, you know. It's so super easy to fix, so you don't need a video, you don't need the instruction, just look at the pictures so you can go from there. So like I go through this, as you can see, I put a metal piece across it, it goes across, it comes out on the other side. So this one that I've already put in there, I'm just going to join them together. Like here you can see. I'm just going to join them together, and put this clip in between them. So, put this clip in between them. It's so super easy to fix, super easy. So it comes out from the other side. So you got a lining, you push it out. That's it. See? That's it. I'll show you when I'm about to put the legs on it. Thank you. Alright guys, the pool is ready. It was completed by the entire family. I got my wife over there trying to help me out to make sure it's good. And I got my two lovely kids also making sure everything is good. So it's all set. Oh, look at my son, said great job guys. So it's all set. What we just gotta do is just fill up with water. So it's super big though, it's big. And it's super easy to install, So you don't need much instruction, it's straightforward. So it's real straightforward. So all you gotta do, pay attention to what you're doing, look at the instructions, and it should be all set. I mean, I didn't look no videos to set this up. I just use my initiative, and it came out super good. So all I gotta do is just fill it up with water right now, but that's all I gotta do. It's super big though, so it's super big. That's 12 by 30. That's 12 by 30. INTEX swimming pool, above ground INTEX swimming pool. So it's super good. So all I gotta do is just fill up with water, son. That'll be awesome. So well, I'll let you guys see when the water is in there. So all right, guys. Victor, look at Victor in the water. Victor, look here. Yeah. Alright, thank you, mommy, for helping me out.
I'm tired.
Thank you, Bright, for helping me out. Thank you, Victor, for helping me out to set up this pool. It's super easy. Alright, guys, this is the outcome of the pool when it's full. Although my pool is not real, my backyard is not real balanced. It's kind of slopey a little bit, but other than that, it look good. It's not that bend though, but just a little bit, it tipped down a little bit. That's my backyard. That was the outcome of the pool when the water is full. So I mean, I got a filter running, and you want to pee? All right, let's go and pee. So that's the outcome of the pool, guys. Give the video a thumbs up.